It is simply just two millennials like baptizing my fucking shoes. Why does bad things happen to good people? Oh my god, there's a butterfly. 7 hours. That's nearly a whole fucking workday. At least there's coffee. Let's just get into it. I beg your finest pardon, what the fuck? I fucking wish I was that quick to get ready. But I just thought I'd sit down real quick and say, what up, bitches? Hi, how are you? Today we have a jam-packed schedule. It is very much going to be like a work with me productive kind of vlog. So if you are into that, you're up for a treat, okay? Today I'll both work on my 9 to 5 and I'll also be working on YouTube, so you'll see a little bit of both. And I am actually running a little bit behind schedule because I could not, for the life of me, get out of bed this morning. Like, my blanket was just so heavy. So my initial plan was to get up early, edit for YouTube, and then go to a coffee shop and work my day job. But we're gonna scrap the YouTube, we're gonna do that later. We're just gonna go straight into my everyday job. But before we do so, we're gonna get some breakfast because I'm gonna go to a cafe. And I'm so sorry, I should probably be eating at the cafe, but I'm gonna be there for a long time today. I'm gonna eat one of my meals from home, probably the next one at the cafe. Also gonna get coffee and share. So got my food, a little bit random, but this was just what I was craving, something quick, something delicious. Got a box juice. Normally I don't drink that, like I will just buy the juice in a big box because this is such a waste. But this was a leftover from the festival that I went to last week. That's also why my voice is popped, by the way. Yeah. Now I'm debating if I should stay home, but the thing is with the cafe, it just makes me more productive. Just getting ready to go, but I'm thinking I want to change into this shirt because kind of like how the haircut would match with my shirt. Isn't that cute? I feel like it's actually warm enough for a t-shirt, but sitting in a cafe, isn't it cold? I mean, I could bring my t-shirt and just change. I'm actually gonna do that. I haven't worn this for so long, and I'm actually in love. Like, why the fuck don't I wear this? I actually know it's because there's a stain that I haven't removed. Guys, I completely underestimated the weather there. It's too damn hot. I had to change, as you can see, and I had to do so in the middle of the street in plain sight. I was just like, bitch, this is too hot. Oh, actually, you have probably noticed we're walking as well. That's because I did put my bike back there as well, just because I did want to get some steps in. So I thought, why not walk the last way to the cafe? So that's what we're doing now. Made it in one piece. Wait, don't try to tell me there's literally a staircase, so you don't have to risk your life. What do you know? Well, now I know.
Cool vest.
Tak. Guys, I just got out of the cafe and I've been stuck there for 7 hours. And I say stuck because literally it started raining, wouldn't stop again. 7 hours. That's nearly a whole fucking work day. At least there was coffee. That was wild. Also because the forecast did not say rain. That's why I was like, what? Right now it's not really raining, so hopefully that lasts. Because I don't really have a proper bag to carry my things in. Can't really see it. I don't think my boss would appreciate if I break the fucking laptop, so hopefully it won't rain again. Also, whilst I was in there, I got a text that a parcel I've been waiting for arrived, so that's lovely. Gonna go pick that up right now. I've literally been wanting to do that the whole day, but obviously rain, so just go do that. Tell me why I decided to drop off my bike halfway there and like walk to get some stuff in. Like, if it starts raining right now, I will literally start crying. Got my IKEA bag here, and I am determined to only walk one. So we're gonna put the washing and all of the cycling and all of the bins in the same bag, which probably nothing leaks out or anything like that, but also it is getting washed. So watch the damage really. Like, me used to actually put my coat on just because I think my hair is like ugly from that. Fit check. Oh no, it's all flooded. Do I dare? I am in my little baggies, aka barefoot. Do I attempt? Oh my god, it's all... I got it. My dick's distinctly too short. I have to go all the way around. Oh, for fuck's sakes. That's amazing. What up, bitches? It is the next day, and I know I said this was gonna be a day in the life productivity kind of vlog, but when I got home yesterday, I was simply too hot because it was so fucking humid outside. But also I was just knackered, and I think the whole fact that I was kind of stuck at the cafe for 7 hours, it kind of just threw me off guard. I got a lot of shit done for my everyday job, but I didn't get anything done for my YouTube thing. So I felt a little bit like bummed about that. I was just like, you know what, I'll just continue the vlog today instead, and show you a little bit of those things. Really hot actually. I need to, or can I just change quickly? Today we have another jam-packed schedule. I've already worked for my everyday job. I just didn't film it because that's what I filmed yesterday, so I thought I'd just show you a little bit more fun things. So now I've just done a little bit of home everything. I done the washing because again it's so humid. I'm sweating my balls off at night. I've done the dishes. Oh, that was straight up lie. I'm going to do the dishes, and then afterwards we're gonna crack on with some YouTube editing. So let's just get into it. I beg your finest pardon. What the fuck? Stop. What in the Harry Potter and the fucking ninth Horcrux is that? Like, I am an idiot. Have I just went down with my fucking washing? People was being a fucking weird. It would be wrong though, but like, oh my god, guys. Yeah, we're gonna take that off. I'm just trying to think how many people and who did I meet with this shit on my face. Okay, backstory is I decided to film a fun little TikTok thingy when I got ready, and I must have forgotten that I had that in my face. If you want to see what I created, go to my TikTok. I'm gonna put it there, but like, why does bad things happen to good people? So Harry left for Hogwarts. I'm still here, unfortunately. But besides doing the YouTube thing and also my dishes, I also have to wash my shoes. I went on a festival, brought them, they were white, and it would be a shame to say that they are white now because they are nowhere near any shades of white, okay? There was just lots of rain, mud, you get the gist. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get that out. These are cetrias in question. I mean, it could be worse. The leather is pretty much back to normal, but as you can see here, like, this is how it's supposed to look like, and this is how it's looking like. I did buy some white, like, this is called, in Danish, this is called like washing powder, but obviously this is not powder because it's liquid, so I never know what to call it, but detergent in English has a better name. And I'm thinking I'm gonna try and like just soak them in there. So, but if this does not work, please leave any tips, like help a girl out. It's like I'm baptizing my fucking shoes here. Right, so I'm marinating my sneakers and I'm just going to let it sit there and really get flavor for the next half an hour or so. Hopefully they won't be ruined. And also the most important tool to do your dishes, your iPad.
Abby.
Anyone else does that?
Happy birthday!
Done. Got about 2 hours until I have got to get up and get ready. I am going to like a jazz festival thingy with my best friend. We're gonna get wine, things like that. Very chill. Before we do so, we are gonna just edit a little bit. Right, so we're just editing right now, and it's so hard like to figure out what people want to see, because half of the times I'm like, this is so boring. Like, why have I even told this story? It's so, I'm talking about strawberries in this clip. I'm like, that's boring as fuck though. So it's just such a hard balance of like trying to show everyday life and just showing me my personality, but also making it entertaining, because I don't think I am entertaining on a regular basis per se. And not because I'm like putting on a persona or anything like that. This is definitely me that you're seeing, but I'm also not like entertaining 24/7. I don't know if I'm entertaining right now, for example. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just that balance of what do people want to see, because obviously it's a curated look into me as a person, and it's just weird to be the editor of that, I guess, when it's myself. Do you know what I mean? Because if it's somebody else, they'll be like, yeah, this is funny, that not. But when it's me, obviously I made the clips, I said these things, but now I'm realizing afterwards maybe it's not that entertaining. So yeah, it's always just, oh, it's so hard. It's so hard to be authentic, but also be fun, and because sometimes my authentic self probably isn't fun. Anyways, I'm just gonna keep editing and cry over the fact that it takes so long. Like, what? Can somebody do this for me, please? I'll be great, thank you. It's a little bit later now. I've been editing for a while, and as always, I could not stop on time. That always seems to be my problem. I'm always dreading starting a task, but then likewise, I'm always also dreading stopping it. So make that make sense, because I don't know. That means I have to get ready really quick. As I said, I'm gonna go to like a jazz festival thingy with my best friend. We're gonna get some wine and then just sit and chill and, I don't know, be civilized. I'm thinking, because it's gonna be outside and it's gonna be later on as well, I'm gonna put on a long sleeve shirt. And then because we're gonna be out for later, I was thinking this. I don't know if I'm gonna hate this when I put it together, by the way. So bear with, I might change this. For the cherry on the top, which quite fitting because of the color. Look at these shoes. I love them. I don't know if there's like something rather millennial about this outfit, probably a little bit. I feel like the cardigan makes it very millennial. It is simply just too millennial. I'm gonna change. Right, how's that? Do we like that better? And then with, I think this is quite cute, quite simple, but also very. I really hope you like this video. Let me know if there's anything you particularly like, if there's something you would see more of, less of, whatever. Oh my god, there's a butterfly. There are like rarely any butterflies anymore. So it just makes me so happy to see them. When I was a kid, there was so many butterflies flying around all the time. Anyways, I'm rambling. As always, so happy to see you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Honestly, it means so well for me, to me, whatever. English is not my first language. But hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.